Is your PC freezing, crashing, running slow, or throwing weird Windows errors? Stop. Before you reinstall everything, before you download sketchy repair software, and definitely before you spend money at a repair shop, try this first. Your computer already has powerful built-in repair tools. The problem is, Microsoft hides them, and most people don't even know they exist. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 secret Windows commands that can fix almost any common PC problem. 0 downloads, 0 cost, just pure results. Let's get started. First, click your Windows search bar. Type in CMD. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Keep this window open because we'll run all 5 commands right here. Start by typing this command. Winget upgrade --all. Then press Enter. That's WINGET space upgrade space --all. This command checks all supported apps installed on your PC and updates them automatically. This includes your browsers, utilities, media players, and productivity apps. A lot of PC issues happen because outdated apps start conflicting with Windows updates. Running this keeps everything current and often fixes problems immediately. If you want to preview the updates first without installing them, just type winget upgrade and press Enter. Command 2. Scan and repair Windows system files. Now let's check Windows itself. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. That's sfc/scannow. This stands for System File Checker. It scans protected Windows files and compares them against clean system copies. If any files are damaged, corrupted, or missing, Windows repairs them automatically. This can fix startup problems, random crashes, missing DLL errors, and strange system behavior. Let the scan finish completely and don't close the window. Command 3. Repair the Windows image. If Windows still feels broken after the last step, run this next. DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. Then press Enter. That's DISM /online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. This command repairs the Windows image, which is the master copy Windows uses to fix itself. Think of it like this. SFC fixes broken files, but DISM fixes the source those files come from. If that master source is damaged, SFC will fail. You need an active internet connection for this one, and it may take several minutes. Once it finishes, restart your PC, and then run the sfc/scannow command one more time for the best results. Command 4. Scan your hard drive for errors. Now let's check your storage drive for issues. Type chkdsk/r and press Enter. That's chkdsk space/r. This command checks for 2 major problems: file system errors and bad sectors. Bad sectors are physically damaged parts of your drive that can no longer safely store data. Because your drive is currently in use, Windows will ask to schedule the scan for your next startup. Type Y for yes, press Enter, and then restart your PC. The scan will run automatically before Windows loads. If your PC has been freezing or acting unstable, this is a crucial step. Command 5. Check SSD or hard drive health. Finally, let's check if your drive is physically healthy or if it's about to die. Type this exact command. PowerShell Get-PhysicalDisk pipe format -table FriendlyName, MediaType, HealthStatus, OperationalStatus. Then press Enter. Windows will display a clean table showing all the storage drives inside your system. Look closely at the HealthStatus column. You want it to say healthy. If it shows warning, unhealthy, or unknown, back up your files immediately. That usually means your drive is failing, and catching it early is the only way to save your data. And that's it. 5 powerful Windows commands, all built in, all free, and all capable of fixing some of the most common PC problems. Make sure to save this video. You'll thank yourself later. And if one of these commands fixed your issue today, let me know which one worked in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.